What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I'm going to show you how to make your own intro. And I finally got an intro, and I'm finally showing my screen. So let's show you this. Type in Panzoid space login. Then go down to login Panzoid. You don't really need this, but then go to Panzoid, and there you go. Now let me show you how to create one. Go here, open and click Maker, and you have to have one box that's going to be your first intro, and the second box right here that can be your last intro. So let's try this. Press the I, then press that.
I know, bitch, be on.
Okay, so if you like that, just go to Objects, look for the text, look down, look for the first text you see. It has to say text. Press that, then say your thing, then press enter. Now let's see how it goes.
I know, bitch,
Wait, what? Wait. Think. Okay, let's just. And guys, that's how you make your own intro. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. See ya. Dragon out.